Hello friends, and welcome to my channel ANATYX, and in this video I will be explaining you how to use the right and the left function in Excel. So this is the data that we have over here, which is I have the date, I have the region, representative name, pencil, units, unit cost, and the total sales. So now what I want to do is I want to find out the first three characters of this name over here. So this is Ramesh. Okay, so how do I do it? I would use the left function over here. So is equal to left, left, open my bracket. This is the text that I have. I select the text, put the comma, the number of characters that I want to put. So for example, if I want to just put in 3 characters, so what I would do is I would type 3, close my bracket, hit enter. The first 3 characters from Ramesh are shown over here. So now what I want to do is I want to type in the last 3 characters of that same name. Okay, so for that what I do is, earlier I used the left, now I am going to use right. Is equal to RIGHT, right? Open my bracket, select this name. How many digits? How many characters? 3 characters. Type 3, hit enter. ESH, Ramesh. See, now what you can do is you can drag this formula till whatever range you want, and you will see the first 3 characters and the last 3 characters coming in. So friends, I hope that you liked this video, and if you found this video useful, then please do not forget to hit the thumbs up icon, and also do share this video with your friends in case if they need help with Excel. And also do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get early notifications whenever I post new educational videos. So that's it for now in this video, and I will speak to you guys soon. So bye bye, see you later.